Binaural beats have gained increasing popularity in recent years for their purported benefits on mood, relaxation, and cognitive function. But what exactly are binaural beats, and what characteristics do they possess? Binaural beats are a type of auditory illusion created when two slightly different frequencies are played in each ear. For example, if a 300 Hz tone is played in one ear and a 310 Hz tone is played in the other ear, the brain perceives a third tone at the mathematical difference between the two frequencies, in this case, a 10 Hz binaural beat. This phenomenon is believed to influence brainwave activity and can be used to induce states of relaxation, focus, or sleep. Watch this short video which helps explain binaural beats.
Welcome to our exploration of binaural beats. What are they and how do they work? Let's dive in. Binaural beats work by playing two slightly different frequencies in each ear, which then interact in the brain to create a perceived third frequency. This third frequency corresponds to a specific brainwave state such as alpha, beta, theta, or delta, which can have various effects on our mental state and cognition. In the context of language learning, binaural beats are being used to help learners achieve a more relaxed and focused state of mind. By listening to binaural beats while studying or practicing a new language, learners may be able to improve their retention, comprehension, and overall language skills. Additionally, binaural beats can also help reduce anxiety and stress, which are common obstacles for language learners. One of the most common ways binaural beats are used to enhance focus and concentration is through meditation and mindfulness practices. By listening to binaural beats while meditating, individuals can enter a deeper state of relaxation and focus, making it easier to stay present and in the moment. By listening to binaural beats through headphones, individuals can experience a deep sense of relaxation and even enter a meditative state. This can help to quiet the mind, release tension, and reduce the physical symptoms of stress, such as elevated heart rate and muscle tension. By listening to binaural beats at specific frequencies, it is believed that the brain can be encouraged to access certain brainwave patterns that are associated with memory consolidation and recall. Binaural beats can also be used in the therapy and counseling fields to help individuals connect with their emotions and memories. By incorporating binaural beats into therapy sessions, therapists can help their clients to relax and focus, making it easier for them to tap into their emotions and work through their issues. This can lead to more effective emotional processing and healing, ultimately improving the client's overall mental well-being. Different frequencies have different effects on the brain, so it's important to find the right one for your specific needs. For example, if you're looking to relax and unwind, you might try a lower frequency such as 5 Hz. If you're looking to improve focus and concentration, a higher frequency like 15 Hz might be more beneficial. While many people report positive experiences with binaural beats, some individuals may not experience the same effects or may even find them uncomfortable. This can be due to individual differences in brainwave patterns, auditory processing, or personal preferences. It's important to recognize that not everyone will respond to binaural beats in the same way, and it may not be a suitable tool for everyone. Overall, binaural beats offer a safe, non-invasive way to improve mental well-being and enhance various aspects of cognitive function. Whether you are looking to relax, improve focus, or manage a mental health condition, binaural beats may be worth exploring as a complementary tool. So next time you need a little mental boost or relaxation, consider putting on some headphones and giving binaural beats a try.
A characteristic of binaural beats is that they are most effective when listened to with your eyes closed, in a quiet, distraction-free environment. This allows the brain to focus on the auditory stimulus and facilitate the entrainment process, where the brain synchronizes its own electrical activity with the frequency of the binaural beat. Binaural beats also have different frequencies that correspond to different states of consciousness. For example, lower frequencies between 1 and 4 Hz are associated with deep relaxation and meditation, while higher frequencies, between 15 and 30 Hz, are linked to increased focus and alertness. By selecting the appropriate frequency, users can tailor their binaural beat experience to achieve the desired effects. Some researchers have identified certain brainwaves with financial success. Dr. Summers, for example, believes that certain brainwave frequencies are, as he terms it, billionaire brainwaves. These brainwaves foster creativity and a boosted mental capacity that are natural to wealthy people. To learn more about these billionaire brainwaves, click the link in the description. Overall, binaural beats possess unique characteristics that make them a valuable tool for enhancing mental well-being and cognitive function. By understanding how binaural beats work and how to optimize their use, you can harness the power of this auditory phenomenon to improve your own mood, reduce stress, and boost productivity. So next time you need a little mental boost or relaxation, consider putting on some headphones and giving binaural beats a try.